You have a job, and do you want to stick with it your whole life working until retirement? Or do you want financial freedom? To get there, you need to understand how assets are created and how investing works. Not every investment actually creates an asset. Think about that feeling. You're at the dealership, the new car smell is everywhere, and you're signing the papers for those heated seats and that backup camera. The salesman smiles and asks the only question that seems to matter: what monthly payment are you comfortable with? It feels like a win. It feels like you finally arrived. But here's the truth nobody tells you in the finance office. That question isn't customer service. It's a magic trick designed to make you stop thinking about the total price. Buying a car isn't a sin. We all need to get to work, but don't let a subscription to permanent debt masquerade as a milestone of success. Real freedom isn't the truck in the driveway. It's the options you have that nobody else can see from the road. It's the ability to say no to a job you hate or yes to a trip you'll never forget because you aren't a prisoner to a monthly payment. Stop performing wealth. Start building it.